What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a staking opportunity that will make you rich. Before I get started though, if you're not a subscriber to my channel already, make sure that you go ahead and do that. I'm almost at 35,000 subscribers, so let's see if we can get that today. So without further ado, go ahead and share this video with your friends, and I'll get straight into the staking opportunity that can change your life. Before I get started on the staking opportunity that can change your life, I want to talk a little bit about Apollo currency versus the dollar. As you guys know, on my YouTube channel, I talk a lot about different coins and I do analysis on a lot of different coins. Now, the project that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is heavily associated with the Apollo currency. It is technically a different token, but it's very important to do analysis on this and the associated token because they're very likely to follow each other, especially as the token is officially released. So I'm going to start off this video with this analysis. And yes, you guys, I actually was running out to the mailbox before I made this video, so I was catching my breath a little bit there for a second. But we can get straight into the video here, you guys. As you guys can see, Apollo currency has been doing a massive accumulation pattern. We know this because we can do a horizontal support level, and as you guys can see, the support level has been tested many times and has not broken. And actually, we've seen a test wick is what this is called, or what I like to call them. And basically what this means is that the market pumped really hard through this area right here, and then retraced very quickly, but that was actually just a whale buying up the entire order book because they're expecting this to break to new all-time highs, and they really don't care what price they're getting in at. So that's what a test wick is. We see them a lot in cryptocurrency, especially in coins that aren't like top 10 coins that have massive market caps and massive liquidity. It's a little bit harder to see these test wicks in those projects, but also it's good to see these test wicks because I've seen so many of these test wicks where the market just goes ahead and sees massive upside afterwards, and it really is a good sign. Another thing that I wanted to point out to you guys about Apollo currency is that we had a downtrending resistance breakout. So if I go ahead and remove some of these circles that I've drawn here for you guys, you can see very quickly that this downtrending resistance level was tested here, tested here, tested here, and has now broken out. So this is actually a very bullish pattern. As you guys know, there's a descending triangle pattern that can occur where the market goes like this, and you see the market consolidate in a specific range, and it breaks lower. There's also a descending triangle pattern that sees an upward breakout. I've seen this happen in Dogecoin multiple times. I saw it happen on a lot of different projects. And when you see this breakout, when it breaks out of the downtrending resistance, it actually confirms that the market is not going to see further downside and is actually going to make a massive reversal pattern. And so this is a very common pattern that I've seen a lot in cryptocurrency. And I wanted to let you guys know that Apollo currency is performing very well and is set to perform very well throughout the future as we see this pattern presenting itself. Now I want to talk about a staking opportunity that really is life-changing, you guys. There's a lot of staking opportunities across the market right now that you guys can take advantage of. It's true, but there is not a staking opportunity that looks quite like this one does. So as you guys know, I've been talking about GSX for quite some time on my channel, and there's links in the description. Make sure that you guys check out the links in the description because you guys can go ahead and get bonuses signing up with those links and getting in on this sale right now, because this is a very good token sale to be getting in on. I see a lot of upside potential throughout the future. I think that this is one of those opportunities that you really only see a few times in the token sale market. Now, what's so important about this staking opportunity, you guys? This staking opportunity will allow you guys to get up to 30% staking yearly reward on your coins. And that's super, super awesome, you guys. It really just depends on how long you stake your coin for. So what you'll be allowed to do once you actually receive your coins is you'll be able to send these coins from your Apollo wallet over to these different addresses, and it will hold inside of a contract, and it will be staking inside of a contract throughout that period of time. So that's really, really awesome, you guys, that you guys can put money, forget about it, and allow it to grow way faster than any checking account, way faster than any savings account will give you inside of a cryptocurrency-based contract. That's really awesome, you guys. That's revolutionary. And this coin specifically gives staking rewards unlike what I've seen across the board when it comes to staking. So this is definitely something that you guys want to be aware of with Apollo FinTech. And both, like I said, both the Apollo currency looks very bullish and GSX as a currency is very bullish as well. Right now it's in pre-sale, so we can't do charting on it like we can with Apollo. But I'm telling you, this project is going to explode, especially after the pre-sale. And getting in on it early and getting staking in on it early is going to benefit you greatly. And one of the other things that I want you guys to be aware of with staking currencies, this is something we have not seen in the history of humanity. We have never seen an ability to stake up with this high percentage returns inside of contracts because cryptocurrency allows you to program money. And that's the first time in history we've ever decentralized money, we've ever decentralized finances, and allowed the people to program it in whatever way they want to, instead of the banks programming it in a way where they only profit and everybody else gets screwed. When we have the power in the hands of the people, we can create things like GSX, and we can make contracts that we can stake, and we can actually have that power brought back into the hands of the people. So this isn't just something that makes you money. This is revolutionary in the sense of what's going on in the world. This is a revolutionary technology. This is a revolutionary point in history, and it's really exciting to be part of that revolution along with you guys. So I'm very excited about GSX. Make sure that you guys click in the description and check it out. Make sure that you guys get signed up for the pre-sale, get signed up for the token sale. I'm very excited about what the prices are going to do, especially after the sale, post-sale. I'm very excited about this staking situation. This is very, very high staking rewards, 10% on 1 year locked. And if you guys don't want to lock it away for 3 years, you can just lock it away for 1. But there's much higher rewards as you go throughout the process and as you stake longer. And I think that's really, really cool. And one of the things I'm expecting is a massive, massive upswing as far as financial markets go. And specifically, the financial industry is going to be one of the fastest growing industries over the next 8 years. And I want you guys to be aware of that because there's going to be a lot of opportunity inside of that growth. And so if you're thinking about locking your money away for a few years, we're going to see 8 years of financial expansion. And that financial expansion is going to be very, very powerful for anybody that knows how to benefit off of it. Albert Einstein was known for saying that interest is the eighth wonder of the world. The people that know how to use it benefit from it, and the people that don't are screwed. And of course, that's not exactly the quote that he said, but that's what he was saying in the quote. I'm not quoting him exactly, but you guys can go ahead and look up that quote if you want to on Google and learn about Albert Einstein talking about interest. And you guys, it's so true. Learning how to stake, learning how to profit off of the markets, learning how to avoid hyperinflation, learning how to hedge your currency in different areas is the eighth wonder of the world. It is truly revolutionary. And the people that know how to do it benefit, and the people that don't are screwed. So who do you want to be? And so definitely make sure that you guys check out the links in the description for GSX. I'm very excited about it. I'll do a quick update on Bitcoin because I know a lot of people have been messaging me, asking me. You guys, most of my cryptocurrency updates are inside of my VIP areas. I just want to make sure that you guys are aware of that. But I do totally do public videos on this channel about different projects. One of the projects I'm very excited about is XRP right now. I've been putting a lot of capital into it. But the markets are very bullish, you guys. And when we have parabolic growth like this, there's going to be corrections along the way up, just like we saw right here, like we saw right here, like we saw right here. But the trend is strong. The trend is your friend as well. So if there's a dip, what I'm doing is I'm buying dips. You know, this dip right here was a great time to be adding on as we continue to push higher here in Bitcoin. This dip right here was an amazing place to add on as we push higher in Bitcoin. And what I'm kind of expecting for XRP, you guys, is I'm expecting XRP to do exactly what Bitcoin did after March. So do you guys remember in March when Bitcoin capitulated during the corona? Everybody got very scared. They all sold it all. And then it proceeded to go to a new all-time high. That's actually what I'm expecting for XRP. That's one of the reasons I'm so excited about XRP. And I just can't make this video without mentioning XRP to you guys from an investment standpoint. So yeah, you guys, make sure that you guys check out GSX. Links in the description for that. Make sure that you guys check out all of the information about the staking and how you guys can go straight from your Apollo wallet into the staking contract once you get your GSX tokens and start making some serious money so that you are somebody that's taking advantage of what Albert Einstein calls the eighth wonder of the world. If you guys are not a VIP member, I've been getting new VIP members, a lot of really positive reviews, a lot of people making a lot of money off the different projects and the different calls that we're making in the group. Make sure that you guys click the links in the description to join the Discord. Send me a Gmail, an email, or a Discord message, and I can help you guys get set up with the VIP. I did have a discount running that's 50%. That is now closed, but I always have a 20% discount running. If you go ahead and reach out to me directly, I can hook you up with that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video, and I look forward to seeing you in future updates. As always, stay profitable out there.